302D Entertainment.
Y'all know who it is, y'all already know what's up. Beamer tinted, can't see, chopper hitting your block up. Hitting licks, moving bricks, that's how we get our grab up. 23rd and Pat be moving packs, yo step your game up. Shoot a fair one with a real one, bitch, you know you gonna suffer. Diamonds on my wrist and watch shining like a floor buffer. My delivery is tougher than you rappers, I'm another type of nigga, yeah no other. Fuck with me, I'll hit your brother. And your mother up, bitch, we don't play that shit. Hit you like a pandemic, that coronavirus shit. About to pop this E and Percocet and chill out for a bit. Nigga think he catching me off guard, we'll end up getting hit. Driving out the Christiana Mall and spend a couple bucks. Ended up in K Jewelers, I just found Lady Luck. Blinding everyone we walking past, let's keep the rest of up. Cause these niggas out here grimy, tryna leave a nigga stuck. So I went across the street to Cabela's and got a piece. Then I went on Dubai Highway, bought a car and fucked the lease. Drove up Concord Avenue, 2 Red Lobster for a feast. Bust her down at the Western, now I'm dipping heading east. I'm a real trap nigga, I'm the plug, yeah, I'm the light. All my niggas out here heavy, trapping all day and all night. Got my girl Shania with me, she gon' pull the trigger right. Hit that nigga in the temple, now he colder than a frostbite. 19802, strapped up, we in here. 19805, leaving hearts full of fear. 302, little bitch, open up your fucking ears. Tell them niggas from the hood who you came to hear. This bitch don't know what she doing to me, twerking all that ass. Turn around, let me smack it, rub it, bite it real fast. Now I'm busting it down, she say my name should be Duralast. Cause the way I'm hitting that, even her ass gonna need a cast. Sliding back on 23rd and Pack, thought I was done. Till a silly nigga pulled up and said, y'all really had fun? I said, nigga, what you talking about? And he pulled out a gun. I said, don't kill me over no bitch, let's kick the one-on-one. Niggas pussy nowadays, they don't wanna fight no more. Bullets travel in and out like a fucking liquor store. Shawn Michaels switching music, now he knocked out on the floor. 302 the Entertainment, nigga, coming back for more.